Okay, right now we are in an area near Volcano Village, and you can see there's these large hapu tree ferns, and this is what the street looks like. It's very, very lush and beautiful. Yep. Anyway, yeah, and there are a few houses here. Not many, but a few that live in this area. Uh, we actually do have a property that we own in this area, and it's just vacant land, but we love it. It's pretty. Eventually, we hope to build a house. We can cross over here. I don't know if you can see, but they do have paved roads. It goes in quite a bit. Yep, so nice. And there's some gingers on the side. I don't know what kind of ginger this is. This is a new one. I haven't seen this before. You hear the birds? Yeah. It's just a canopy of ferns and ohia trees. Very, very nice. Nice, cool weather. I would guess it's probably about 70 or maybe even 69 or 67 degrees in here. All right. We're in Volcano area right now.